currently charging my phone. I'm going to then charge a block and then this flashlight that I have as well. So I'm gonna be doing that, making sure everything's charged, my computer's charged, and then we'll see. I do have to just do regular stuff like the dishes, so I'll take y'all along for that. My bangs, I need to wash my hair, but whatever. So just make sure to clean up everything, and then we will anticipate the storm. It is probably going to get bad tomorrow morning. Overnight it's gonna start snowing, but like all day tomorrow is whenever the snow is just gonna drop from the heavens. So we shall see. I think I have everything. I have a list. I do want to put batteries in the carbon monoxide detectors, and yeah, I think that's about it. So catch you in a bit. Okay, so this is actually very easy to put batteries in. So I need to make sure that we have double A's, and then I'll set these around the house and then they will be good to go. My mom got these off of Amazon for us, so I will link them below. Especially if you have gas to heat your house, carbon monoxide are key. Key. You probably already know that if you have a furnace and you use gas to heat your house, but very important. Okay, so I'm gonna set these up around the house and then figure out something else to do. All right, just head around to the good old DG to grab some batteries, and I got more peanut butter because we have saltine crackers. That is a pretty stinking good meal, if I have to say myself. So.
What do you need double A's for anyways?
For these.
For what?
For just in case the power goes out, you still have carbon monoxide. Yeah, see, these are not, what size are these? Well, you should always check to see what kind of batteries, because these are not double A's. These are something completely different. I don't think I'll ever learn. DC9V alkaline battery. Great. Okay, so my mom, thank you mom, if you're watching this, she got 9-volt batteries, so we are good to go. No need to fret. It is all good. All right, so this one is a digital one versus just, I can show you the other one. I mean, this one's digital too, but that one actually has a screen and everything. I think this one, I just need to go ahead and put batteries in all of these. Yeah, because these all take 9-volt. So I'm gonna do all that right now.
Welcome to Use Voice Gas.
Okay, yeah, so this one goes way up higher than this one. This one only went to 50. This one goes like 100 and some. So we'll see. It also has a percentage down below. All right, so we are about 7 hours into the snowstorm. We probably have about 8 hours. It's going to, or what the weather app says is that it's going to be until about 9 p.m. tonight. It is currently about 10. Is that right? So no, we have longer than 7 hours. Hold on, what time is it? So it is in fact 10 a.m. So we have until 9 a.m. So, or 9 p.m. Oh my gosh, forgive me. So that is, I can't do math, but 11 more hours of this. It is coming down. If it continues to be like this, we're about to get way more than what they had anticipated, which is crazy. Currently, we have power, everything's good. I prepped a little bit this morning by making some coffee and putting it into a carafe for us to have throughout the day, just in case the power went out. I love these little carafes. I also made some breakfast. I made scrapple, or liver mush. It was delicious. I also prepped up some rice for our chicken that we had last night, so we could have that for today just in case the power went out as well. So yesterday, after I stopped recording, I started feeling like absolute crap. That time of month is happening right now. So I just got so tired. My husband ended up doing the dishes and cooking dinner and everything that I was planning on recording yesterday. So that's why we're here right now. But I'll keep y'all updated. This is the very first snowstorm that I've ever been in. I did not grow up where I'm at right now. So it's way colder, way more snow, which I love. But hopefully we don't lose power. Like I said, I'll keep y'all updated with everything. And yeah, we'll just see what happens. All right, so my bet was that it was going to get to the knees. It's looking like it's going to surpass that for sure. So I want to just honestly get out of the house, get some exercise, and plow behind the truck just in case we need to go anywhere, which hopefully we do not, but you never know. So I do have my insulated shirt on. I have insulated pants. I have insulated boots. And I have my gloves and a hat, and I feel fine. It's really not that cold. It's definitely been colder the past couple days, and it's gonna get colder throughout the week. But as of right now, it's not that cold. So let's get to it. This is literally the fluffiest, most beautiful snow I've ever seen. Cannot wait to play in it and see what we can get into. Take a little break. I'll come back out. Obviously not in that good a shape because I think that was only probably 10 minutes of shoveling, but that's okay. I'll come back out and work on some more. We still got a whole day. It's only 12:30. Go inside, hang out a little bit, and then I'll catch you on a bit. There were literally so many side-by-sides, 4 of them just driving by. I'm gonna need to get me one of those. Okay, so this has been an hour since the last time I've been out here. It is, as you can see, it is coming down pretty good. I mean, that's at least an inch in the last hour, which they call it, I think, for 1 to 3 inches in an hour possible. So right on target. This is straight up ice underneath me since it's been so cold. It rained and then it got freezing, so we've had a lot of ice just on our driveway. So anytime I walk on it, I slip. I'm gonna take a break. Probably my husband will come out and take a shift. And yeah, because we have like this whole pile right back here. You can't really tell how thick it is. The town that is coming and paving the roads and everything, and it's just getting piled over onto our driveway. So that one is probably going to take a little bit longer. I'll come back out here in an hour to get another update, as y'all saw in the beginning, and to see how much thicker it becomes.
What on this half then? No.
And what does that do for the chili?
I don't know. Simmer juice,
Simmer juice.
sweet juice.
Dang, look at how fast it's coming down.
Yeah, if we had a building, I could have a little thing on a four-wheeler to like do this.
Yep. You don't need to go out that far.
Why?
Because the truck, yeah, I did that. I made that mistake. Just right here. Right there. Oh, and you can cut it.
I'm just trying to get through that.
Yeah. You want me to work on that a little bit?
Yeah, do we not have another snow?
No. I know, you need to.
Yeah, baby, you nice and warm. That pow pow.
I know, it's
I need a
perfect.
snowboard. You could come down the. Yeah, like if I had some skis, I could start at the top and just come down that little. Wouldn't that be fun?
It would be fun.
Like a snowboard or skis?
What, you think, I mean, that'd be pretty intense. Isn't that pretty steep?
But it's deep. Like you could start at the tree stand almost up there.
Yeah.
Like you could start at the stand and literally just work your way down the hill. It's so deep.
Yeah, we need our own skis and snowboards and stuff.
Yeah, because I could literally, because it's like I could start at the top up there, work my way down to like that corner, and then work my way down the corner to like, and literally just ride all the way down. Wouldn't that be awesome? From like the tip top where the stand is,
How would
to
you get
ride
up
down
there?
to the house. Huh?
How would we get up there?
I mean,
The
you
truck?
have to get dropped off. I'm just saying, like, it would be a fun ride down.
You didn't even ask. This is fresh snow right here. This is where I could literally make a heart with my foot.
Yeah, why aren't we doing it, baby?
We're doing it tomorrow when it snows.
Oh, are we?
You're doing this fast.
You think so?
Mm-hmm. Oh gosh. I just got
The ice is crazy.
It's crazy, I know.
Coming down hard enough to like, this is perfect.
I know.
Nice, soft, fluffy.
It's so perfect.
Here, baby. Now this would be perfect for the tube
Yes.
on the back of the floor. The tube on the back, call it a day.
It is crazy. Yeah, you could ice skate on this right here. Why we're doing this, just in case. 'Cause it probably will eventually. Yeah, this is just straight up. Look how thick that ice is. Dude. We need salt. It's been icy.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's dangerous.
It's very dangerous.
Yeah, it's just a sheet of ice.
It's just a straight up sheet of ice. Dewey just ate crap on the ice. So now
Oh, it's too late.
I'm now in recording mode in case it happens again. Just in case it happens again. Oh yeah. Yeah, how did it happen?
This lost skip. Slippery. Oh, is that good enough?
I think so.